Very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As you understand that Treasury Consulting is a multidimensional MNC, and now we have launched another service in media, which is the news desk. This news desk is live and running, and it is costing a very small amount per year. In this news desk, we would be providing you news which really matters for you, which is in the public domain, and our analysis of that news. The news will come either on the WhatsApp or on the Telegram. If you wish to have any information, then you can definitely WhatsApp 9818485155. 9818485155. Apart from that, we are having training programs and so many things. Any information, WhatsApp 9818485155. There are two kind of people. First of all, this video is presented by FNO Learnings Academy of Treasury Consulting Group. There are two kind of people we have in the market. Standing today, let me write December 2020. One who is predicting that markets will go this way, which is high, and unfortunately many banks are giving this recommendation. And one who feel that markets will go here. Okay, that's very good. I'm not saying who is correct and who is not. Only the time would be telling who is correct, who is not, but you know where I am. But the status quo is that we need to hedge that. Now, there are multiple options. Now, what people are currently doing, they are taking positional trades. They are taking positional trades, buying and holding in their DPs. Other people are taking positions in futures contracts. So people, those who are expecting high, they are buying. People, those who are expecting low, they are selling. While others are doing intraday in the market. Now, intraday means, But guys, our FNO Learnings Academy, learning means trainings, just has a session, and what we did is a strategy. Now, this strategy we are not explaining in detail, but this is for buy side. Now, for buy side strategy is you need to have a cash position, which is known as, your positional trades. Plus, if you feel that markets are going to be higher, then you can have buy future of that relevant stock. Please be note that the lot size of future may or might not agree or in sync with the lot size of cash. So the future lot size may or might not agree with the cash position. Plus, you need to cover this, which is known as the operator's leg. We know that Indian operators are highly dominable and they can dominate anything. And this is only possible using FNO. So what we did is that we have tested, of course, the details I am not going to be sharing. It is only for the FNO Learnings Academy. We can have buy future. We can have, if you're expecting it is going to be high, then we can have buy call plus sell put. Of course, remember that before taking any such strategy, at least have the following things. Number one, have the Excel model ready, which I doubt most people do have. Number two, test on 5 expiries. Number 3, and very important, is test on swing. These are very important things. Okay. Now let's have another strategy. Here the strategy for the sell side. If you think that the market is falling, then still have the cash position. Oh my God, you must be thinking that why to have a cash position if the market is falling? Don't worry, Hindi media will not tell you. Then you can have a futures on the selling side. Hey guys, remember that the lot size of cash and futures may or might not tally. Plus, you need to have the very important thing which is known as the operator's leg. So here the situation is like that. You have the cash position, plus you have the futures. I'm not writing selling again. Plus what you can do, you can have buy put plus sell call. But once again, you need to have an Excel model ready to test this. Number 2, test on 5 expiries at least. Number 3, test on the swing. If you do this, you will get my answer. But once again, I would like to explain this via a chart. This is where the market is. This dot means what we are thinking the market is. I'm changing the color to red. Now this means our loving operators who have the potential to do anything in the market. Now let me change this here. Another is this is market. Oops, this is market and you're expecting it to be here. And our loving operators can take this here. Now this operator's leg can only be hedged using FNO. And this is what we covered in our FNO Learnings Academy. If you wish to have more information, you can WhatsApp here. But remember guys, in 2021, markets would be more volatile than what you are thinking. Remember this, and not about India, across the globe. I hope you understand what I wanted to convey, because hedging of operator legs is really very, very, very essential. Have a great time ahead.